Hi everyone, in today's I'm going to show to you how to delete saved messages on Snapchat. So what you're going to have to do is to simply open Snapchat and then simply go to chat. And then here you're going to have to simply open the conversation that you want to delete the saved messages from. And then simply tap and hold on the message. And then you're going to have, as you can see, you have unsave in chat option and then you have the delete option. So you're going to have to simply tap on delete, and as you can see, what is delete chat? So when you delete a message, we'll attempt to remove it from our servers and your friends' devices. And as you can see, this might not always work, like if someone has a bad internet connection or an old version of Snapchat. So simply tap OK and then tap on delete again, and basically that's all you have to do in order to delete saved messages on Snapchat. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.